My name's Mursal Saiq, director and co-founder of Q Point London and Q Point Kitchen. So that dish is Afghan dumplings. It's called oshak. We can make it vegetarian or vegan. We just remove the yogurt. We smoke some cabbage, we smoke some spring onions, we dice some onions, we caramelize them with a bit of garlic, a bit of tomato paste. I like to season it every stage, so I would season my onions as well. And then after the tomato paste goes in, you chop up the spring onions, the cabbage, you throw that in, again, season again with a few aromats, cumin, paprika, leave that to the side. That's your filling done. Now we start on the red lentil sauce. Dice up some more onion, a little bit of garlic, more tomato paste. And this time you add the red lentils. So they've been soaked the night before, and then you pop them straight into that pan with the caramelized onions, garlic and tomato paste, a few aromats. We like to use our herb salt, and then that's basically done, and you just let it simmer. So you start with your dough and you mix it in a bowl. Once it starts to form a rough shape, you take it out the bowl and you start to knead it about 10-15 minutes. You want an almost not shiny, but a slight little shine on your dough. Get a pasta maker and you run it through, so it's like that really lovely thin dough. And then make sure that you've got a decent amount of flour. So flour your base, cut out your circles. Once you've done that, pop your filling. You need your filling to be cooled down before you can start to create the little dumplings. Cool that down, pop them straight onto the circular little doughs. You want like literally a pinch, a hand, like, because they're quite small, and if you overfill, your dumpling will open in the steamer. And then you put a tiny bit of oil on one side of the dough, pop it over, stick it down with your fingers, and you pop them in the steamer for about 3 to 5 minutes. You're done.
First thing you want to do with plating is a generous amount of yogurt on the base of the plate. Then you want to place your Afghan dumplings on top. Straight after, you want to go with your red lentil sauce, and we want, again, a generous amount to try and cover as many of the dumplings as possible. Then last sauce that's going to go on is the Afghan chutney. Then to garnish, we have some finely diced spring onions.